We have paper, a paper towel roll, nose cone, fins, string and a parachute, a rocket motor, and a motor mount. And with these materials, we can build a rocket. Okay, we have a rocket on the launch pad, ready for launch. At T0 or right at liftoff, the rocket motor is ignited. Once all the fuel is burned, the time delay starts smoking. After the time delay is done burning, the rocket is at its max altitude and the ejection charge is ignited. You usually want your ejection charge to ignite right around apogee. When the ejection charge is ignited, the parachute deploys and the rocket floats gently back to the surface of the Earth to be launched once again. What's going on, guys? You might be new to model rocketry. You might have some knowledge of model rocketry, or you might be a model rocketry expert. In this video, we are going to break model rockets into their most basic elements, and we will construct a model rocket from the ground up. A basic model rocket is composed of a body tube, a nose cone, parachutes, fins, and most importantly, a rocket motor. But before we can really understand how a model rocket works, we need to break it down into its most basic elements. When Elon Musk was a child, he was afraid of the dark. And the way he conquered his fears of the dark is he broke the darkness and the light into its most basic elements. All darkness is the lack of photons. As you can see, it is dark. We have the lack of photons. I'm going to turn the light back on. Photons are present. And this is when Elon Musk realized you shouldn't be afraid of the lack of photons. Elon then applied the same method to his rocket company, SpaceX. He searched the markets for the best prices of metal, and from metal, Elon Musk began to build rockets that land themselves. Now, what's the most basic element of a model rocket? Paper. Paper is the most basic element of a model rocket. With paper, we can make paper towel rolls. I actually got this paper towel roll out of my mom's kitchen. You can find them pretty much anywhere if you use a large consumption of paper towel rolls. And with the paper towel roll, which is the main building block of a model rocket, you basically just get a rocket motor. This is a E-Stace rocket motor. You stick it inside, and you got your model rocket.
3, 2, 1.
Well, that failed. What I have in front of me right here is a modified paper towel roll. This baby got fins, a nose cone, a rocket motor, and you guessed it, straws. Let's go try it out.
3, 2, 1. That worked a lot better, didn't it? Wow, what an improvement.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can take a simple paper towel roll and turn it into a fully usable model rocket. It is that simple and it is that easy. The basics of model rocketry, from paper to rocket. The reason why this modified paper towel roll worked a ton and a whole lot better than this paper towel roll is because we had fins, a nose cone, a recovery system, and we had straws for a guiding rod. If you guys want to get started on building really nice model rockets, I highly recommend you buy an E-Stace model rocket kit. There's a lot of great kits out there, a lot of very fine and simple kits, and you can learn a lot about model rocketry. Thank you guys for watching to the end of the video of basic elements of model rocketry. And that's it. We went from paper to model rocket, and that is the basic element of model rocketry.